Look here, kids. We have some fruit here. Now let's cut them together. First, this is a banana. The banana is green. It's a green banana. And here we have a knife. It's a knife. Let's cut it. We cut the banana. Now we have 2 bananas. 1, 2. Here is a lemon. It's a lemon. Let's cut it. We cut the lemon. And now we have 2 lemons. Here we have a pear. It's a pear. We cut the pear in 2. 1, 2. You know what this is? It's a pineapple. A green pineapple. We cut the pineapple in 2. Can you guess this one? It's a tomato. It's a tomato. Let's cut the tomato in 2. We cut the tomato in 2. 1, 2. Now you see this? It's a pumpkin. It's an orange pumpkin. We cut the pumpkin in half, and now we have 2 pumpkins. Now we have some ABCs, but some of the letters are missing. Let's find them and put them in their places. First, I see Y. It's a Y. Where does the Y go? This is the Y's place. It's a Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. Great. Now I see W. It's a W. Where does the W go? This is where the W goes. Great. W is for window. W is for window. Now we have U. It's a U. Can you find where does the U go? This is where U goes. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. Now we have Q. It's a Q. Can you find Q's place? Does it go here? No. This is where Q goes. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Now I see P. It's a P. And P's place is here. P is for piano. P is for piano. Now I see this letter. Can you guess this one? It's an N. N. And N goes here with M and O. N is for nurse. N is for nurse. Now I see this yellow letter. It's a K. And K goes right beside J. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. Here I have an F. Its letter is F. And F's place is right here with G. F is for fish. F is for fish. Great! Look at this letter. Can you guess this letter? It's E. Where does E go? E goes here. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Now this letter. This is B. It's a B. Can B go here? No. This is where B goes. B is for butterfly. B is for butterfly. Now we have a last letter. It's an L. Can you help me find L's home? This is where L goes. Great job! Hey kids, do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you can learn with me every single day.